When can or can't we omit the relative pronoun? When the person or thing is the object of the defining relative clause, the relative pronoun who, which, or that can be omitted. For example, I spoke to a girl. You met her yesterday. Her in this sentence is the object of the relative clause. So we are going to use the relative pronoun who or that which can be omitted. So the sentence is going to be I spoke to the girl who or that you met yesterday. Or we can simply omit who and that and say I spoke to the girl you met yesterday. Both cases are correct. However, we can't omit a relative pronoun when the person or thing is the subject of the defining relative clause. For example, I spoke to a girl. She has got 8 brothers. She is the subject of the defining relative clause. I spoke to a girl who has got 8 brothers. In this case, we cannot omit the relative pronoun who. And we can say, or it is incorrect to say, I spoke to a girl who has got 8 brothers. So we need the relative pronoun. We can never omit the relative pronouns whose and where. Hope that this video lesson was beneficial. Please don't forget to subscribe to receive new lessons updates. Thank you very much for your attention. See you soon.